just came on here to show you I had my channel customized, and I do a lot of diamond painting, so I said, why not make my channel banner custom? So due to the fact I have surgery on my shoulder, my daughter is going to assist me today. So this is the package that came in. As you can see, it's kind of banged up, but okay, well, you can take it up this end here. And this is long. Here we go. She's gonna open it up for me. And it's a 60 by 80 round. So pretty. Ooh, I can't wait to see it. Wow, the words came out perfect. Oh my world, the words came out clear. I made this on Canva, and I just put what I like on. Oh, this is so gorgeous, right? The words came out clear. It says YouTube, subscribe to my channel. Oh, look at that. It says Shawana, create a circle, DIY crafting, playing with me, diamond painting, scrapbooking, travel, and more. All of that came out perfect. Look at that. I do meditation. I do diamond painting. I do scrapbooking, planning. I love music. So I got the music notes. Oh, look at the flowers. Even the flowers, y'all, came out perfect. And thumbs up, you know, when you said thumbs down or thumbs up, I included that with that, you know, on YouTube. And I love to travel because it's the travel. And the airplane came out gorgeous. And I even inserted, I layered it up. I put the clouds, and I trying to put some color onto the plane. I kind of freehand this, and it came out gorgeous. And these colors, oh my God, look at these colors. Even this with the lotus sign and everything came out perfect. Washi tape, oh, the scissors, the pen, the book, everything. The music notes is like freaking awesome. Let me see how. Oh yes, it is tacky. And it comes with 20 colors. This is large and it's only 20 colors. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. And look at the colors. Oh, it is gorgeous colors. This came out perfect. I paid, I believe, $31 for this, and I will leave the link below of where they had it sent from. It comes with two kits. Oh, that's nice too. Oh my Lord, look how gorgeous, and all the words came out perfect. That's why I was scared of. I was like, oh boy, it's the words or even the symbols, everything is perfect in these drills. And it's only 29 colors. Oh my goodness. This is so gorgeous. I can't wait for my arm to get well so I can do this painting. Oh my goodness. But I just had to come aboard and show you what I got. Oh my Lord. Look at that. Give me a thumbs up on here because this is a great job. Look at that. It even got the flowers, the music notes. Look at that. All of this came out so good and clear. And it's only 20 colors. Good color blocking. Oh, that is great. Oh, I'm just loving this right about now. Oh my goodness. And it's a 60 by 80 centimeters. Oh my goodness. And I love round, so the drills is round. Oh my world. Well, once again, I just had to come by and show it. Bye.